Hello, and welcome to a new edition of TripleChip's Unbox the Box, where today we'll be unboxing the Xbox Red wireless controller. Yeah, I needed the second one. All I had is the one that come with it, the one that come with it originally with the Xbox One X. And the amazing thing, I got to show you something before I go any further. But if you see, that's when I bought it in February. It was $59.88, and now I just checked on there. Just check on here right now. It is wow. I don't know if it's to do with this COVID or something, but check this out, folks. It's $104.98 now. So let's get to unboxing. So let's get to unboxing. So we'll show you everything that you get with the Xbox One controller. That's what the box looks like. Nice picture of the controller. The sides, this says you get one red wireless controller and two AA batteries. And that's another side of the box. So this thing hangs on the store, and there's the back side of your box. I just, because if you ever want to play two-player, I only got one controller, so I needed to buy a second one. And I really like red. So that's the way it looks like inside. Very nice. So if you compare it to the controller that you usually get with it, it's got a nice red piano finish on the top. And all your buttons are even red. It's like a crimson fire red. Okay, take off this back panel. You simply just slips up, and your batteries are going to go in here. So it comes with two Duracell batteries. What else you get in here? And all you get in here is Xbox Game Pass. It's good for 14 days. There's a code on the back, but it's pretty good. You get a 14-day trial of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, which is very good. Got usually over 100 games a month on here. Always adding new titles. Inside you got your product and regulatory guide, and just your information guide on your controller. So fairly simplistic. Put this all back together. Okay, so when you put your batteries in, the bottom is going to be negative and positive. So you just look on your battery. Negative is the flat end. So you just put that one in like that. Put the top one in this way. You should have power. The other option that you can do too, take these out, and in a previous video I showed you before, I have the Energizer stand here, so now I can fit two controllers that can charge now. And when you get the Energizer, it comes with 2 of these rechargeable battery packs, so you just simply insert your battery pack in like so. You just look at which end's which. Just the right way. Then you just simply hit your power button. It's lit up again. And that's it. So if you enjoyed what you've seen on this edition of TripleChip's Unbox the Box. Oh yeah, I'm wearing my COVID mask. Really cool. I like this blue skull look. Make sure to share it, because I'm really trying to grow this channel, which would be much appreciated. And if it would be nice if you liked and subscribed, make sure you leave any comments, positive, negative, I don't care. I just like to see some more content on my channel. Your guys' opinions. What else do you want me to unbox? Do you want me to do other stuff? I got an adventure channel, but with this COVID, I haven't been able to really do no content on that. I'm trying to do stuff outside now. But for now, I'm just doing some unboxings. I got some more outside stuff to do later on. Then I'm going to try and do some more food reviews and some more cooking. But until next time, make sure to hit that bell notification button. And as I said before, like and subscribe. Until next time, have a great day. Chip out.